Your participation in jury service in Arizona is an important civic duty. The judicial system, litigants, and attorneys count on you to help ensure a fair and efficient process. We understand that personal financial responsibilities could impact your willingness to participate, and for this reason, juror compensation is a priority for courts in our great state. If you're employed or self-employed, review your company's jury service guidelines. Jury compensation is dependent on a few factors, such as whether your company pays for jury service. If not, you could be paid up to $300 in Superior Court beginning day one. And if you're unemployed, retired, or receive income from another source like spousal maintenance, you could also qualify for compensation. The actual amount you can request is dependent on your actual earnings. All you need to do is provide a pay stub or other proof of your daily wage. The Superior Court makes it as easy as possible for you to request reimbursement. You can find the juror claim form online or ask someone at the court to help. If you're selected to serve on a jury at a justice or municipal court, you're eligible to receive $12 per day. Courts in Arizona will also cover mileage reimbursement even if you don't get selected to serve on a jury. We hope this information on jury compensation helps answer questions you might have about lost wages. If you have additional questions regarding compensation, court personnel are ready to help answer them. Arizona's courts count on citizens like you to help build confidence in our judicial system. Your service is valuable, and we believe you'll walk away acknowledging it was fair because I was there. Thank you for your service.